आप कैसे हैं? हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू? मैं ठीक हूँ। एम फाइन। एम फाइन। आपका परिवार कैसा है? हाउ इज योर फैमिली? हाउ इज योर फैमिली? मेरा परिवार भी बढ़िया है। माई फैमिली इज ऑल्सो गुड। माई फैमिली इज ऑल्सो गुड। क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? कुछ नहीं, बस बातें कर रहे हैं। Nothing, just talking. Nothing, just talking. आपका व्यापार कैसा चल रहा है? How's your business going on? How's your business going on? व्यापार अच्छा चल रहा है। Business is going well. Business is going well. आप बताइए। What about you? What about you? चलो नाश्ता करते हैं। Let's have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. नाश्ता तैयार है। Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. मैं काम के लिए जा रहा हूँ। I am going to my work. I am going to my work. तुम कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मेरे साथ चलो। Come with me. Come with me. चलो मैं वहां तक तुम्हें छोड़ देता हूँ। Come on, I'll leave you there. Come on, I'll leave you there. बस में मुझे चक्कर आने लगे। I start feeling dizzy on the bus. I start feeling dizzy on the bus. मुझे घबराहट हो रही है। I am feeling nervous. I am feeling nervous. मेरा दम घुट रहा है। I am suffocating. I am suffocating. मैं बोलने में हिचकिचा रहा हूँ। I am hesitant to speak. I am hesitant to speak. आपको कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? मुझे रिया ने बताया। Riya told me. Riya told me. रिया ने आपको क्या बताया? What did Riya tell you? What did Riya tell you? सब कुछ। Everything. Everything. अच्छा तो ये बात है। Oh, so this is it. Oh, so this is it. तुम कल क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? क्यों, कुछ काम है क्या? Why is there any work? Why is there any work? नहीं, मुझे कोई काम नहीं है। No, I don't have any work. No, I don't have any work. वैसे ही पूछ रहा था। I was asking just like that. I was asking just like that. इसीलिए मैं नहीं जा सकता हूँ। That's why I can't go. That's why I can't go. कोई बात नहीं, मैं समझ सकता हूँ। No problem, I can understand. No problem, I can understand. हिम्मत ना हारो। Don't lose courage. Don't lose courage. तुम ये कर सकते हो। You can do this. You can do this. अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो तुम भी कर सकते हो. If I can do it, you can do it too. If I can do it, you can do it too. आपकी दादी की तबीयत कैसी है? How is your grandmother's health now? How is your grandmother's health now? उनकी तबीयत पहले से अच्छी है. Her health is better than before. Her health is better than before. भगवान तुम्हारा साथ देगा. God will support you. God will support you. अच्छे काम करो. Do good work. Do good work. लगन लगाकर पढ़ाई करो. Study diligently. Study diligently. तुम एक दिन जरूर सफल होगे. You will definitely succeed one day. You will definitely succeed one day. भगवान आप पर कृपा करे. God bless you. God bless you. भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो. Leave me for God's sake. Leave me for God's sake. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे तुम्हारा समय चाहिए. I need your time. I need your time. दूर रहो मुझसे. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. मुझे पढ़ाई करने दो. Let me study. Let me study. टीवी देखना बंद करो. Stop watching TV. Stop watching TV. तुम्हारी आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी. Your eyes will get damaged. Your eyes will get damaged. जाकर पढ़ाई करो. Go and study. Go and study. किताबें पढ़ना अच्छी बात है. Reading books is a good thing. Reading books is a good thing. मैं काम में व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy with work. I am busy with work. मैं आपसे बाद में बात करूँगा. I will talk to you later. I will talk to you later. तुम्हारा फोन बज रहा है. Your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing. अपना फोन उठाओ. Pick up your phone. Pick up your phone. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. शोर मत मचाओ. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. मुझे परेशानी हो रही है. I am having trouble. I am having trouble. मैं इतने शोर में नहीं रह सकता. I can't live with so much noise. I can't live with so much noise. शांति रखो. Keep peace. Keep peace. बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं. Children are studying. Children are studying. तुम्हारी परीक्षा सिर पर है. Your exam is upon you. Your exam is upon you. कड़ी मेहनत करना शुरू कर दो. Start working hard. Start working hard. तुम्हें दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए. You should help others. You should help others. आप उससे नफरत क्यों करते हैं? Why do you hate him? Why do you hate him? वो तो आपका कितना ख्याल रखती है. She takes so much care of you. She takes so much care of you. वो मेरा इंतज़ार कर रही है. She is waiting for me. She is waiting for me. मुझे समय पर पहुंचना होगा. I must reach on time. I must reach on time. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलता हूँ. I'll meet you later. I'll meet you later. कृपया बुरा मत मानना. Please don't feel bad. Please don't feel bad. अपनी औकात से बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go beyond your limits. Don't go beyond your limits. ज़्यादा मिलनसार होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to be too friendly. There is no need to be too friendly. जितना है उतने में खुश रहो. Be happy with whatever you have. Be happy with whatever you have. दूसरों को मत देखो. Don't look at others. Don't look at others. वो क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing? What is he doing? वो बच्चों के साथ खेल रहा है. He is playing with the children. He is playing with the children. आपको कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? मैं अभी वहीं से आ रहा हूँ. I am just coming from there. I am just coming from there. हम बचपन के दोस्त हैं. We are childhood friends. We are childhood friends. हम दोनों एक साथ स्कूल जाया करते थे. We both used to go to school together. We both used to go to school together. एक बार की बात है. It was once upon a time. It was once upon a time. मुझे पता है कि मुझे क्या करना है. I know what I have to do. I know what I have to do. तुम्हें बताने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to tell you. There is no need to tell you. मैं अपने फैसले खुद ले सकता हूँ. I can make my own decisions. I can make my own decisions. तुम अपना देखो. You look at yours. You look at yours. तुम गलत कर रहे हो. You are doing wrong. You are doing wrong. तुम एक दिन समझ जाओगे. You will understand one day. You will understand one day. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not do this. You should not do this. ये कानूनी गलत है. This is legally wrong. This is legally wrong. उसका दिल मत तोड़ो. Don't break his heart. Don't break his heart. वो तुमसे प्यार करती है. She loves you. She loves you. वो एक अच्छी लड़की है. She is a good girl. She is a good girl. ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. This is not a big deal. This is not a big deal. इतना हवा मत बनाओ. Don't create a scene. Don't create a scene. मैं सब देख लूँगा. I will manage everything. I will manage everything. आप कौन हैं? Who are you? Who are you? मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. चलो शॉपिंग करने जाते हैं. Let's go for shopping. Let's go for shopping. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चल रही हो? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? कुछ कहो. Say something. Say something. तुम कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रही हो? Why are you not saying anything? Why are you not saying anything? तुम क्या सुनना चाहती हो? What do you want to hear? What do you want to hear? कुछ भी बोलो. Say anything. Say anything. क्या कोई गंभीर बात है? Is it any serious matter? Is it any serious matter? क्या पता मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकूं? Who knows I may be able to help you? Who knows I may be able to help you? तुम्हें उससे अच्छी लड़की नहीं मिल सकती. You can't find a better girl than her. You can't find a better girl than her. मैं सोच रहा था कि हम कहीं घूमने के लिए चलते हैं. I was thinking that we should go somewhere for a walk. I was thinking that we should go somewhere for a walk. अच्छी बात है लेकिन मुझे बहुत ज़रूरी काम है. It's a good thing but I have very important work. It's a good thing but I have very important work. मुझे पता है कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत है. I know what is right and what is wrong. I know what is right and what is wrong. तुम्हें दखलंदाजी करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need for you to interfere. There is no need for you to interfere. तुम मुझसे दूर नहीं जा सकते. You can't go away from me. You can't go away from me. मैं तुमसे अकेले में बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk to you alone. I want to talk to you alone. मुझे अभी भी यकीन नहीं हो रहा है. I still don't believe it. I still don't believe it. मेरे हाथ गीले हैं. My hands are wet. My hands are wet. कम से कम झूठ तो मत बोलो. At least don't lie, please. At least don't lie, please. बड़ी खुशी का समाचार है. That's a good news. That's a good news. मैं जुबान का पक्का हूँ. I am a person of words. I am a person of words. उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं. He is not reliable. He is not reliable. मैं तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा. I will stand by you. I will stand by you. आपको मेरा नंबर किसने दिया? Who gave you my number? Who gave you my number? तुम किस शहर से हो? Which city are you from? Which city are you from? मैं आने ही वाला था. I was about to come. I was about to come. मुझे नींद नहीं आएगी. I won't sleep. I won't sleep. मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता. I still don't know. I still don't know. मुझे जानकारी नहीं है. I have no idea. I have no idea. वो तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है. She looks like you. She looks like you. क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया? Have you had your meal? Have you had your meal? मुझसे अलग रहो. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. क्या तुम्हारे आसपास कोई है? Is anybody around you? Is anybody around you? तुम कहाँ से आए हो? Where have you come from? Where have you come from? ये गलती दोबारा नहीं होनी चाहिए. This mistake should not happen again. This mistake should not happen again. मैं बस अभी आ रहा हूँ. I am just coming. I am just coming. मुझे लेने दो. Let me take one. Let me take one. वो बहुत अच्छा बोलता है. He speaks very well. He speaks very well. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? इसे ठीक करा दो. Get it repaired. Get it repaired. क्या तुम कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? किसी भी तरह से इसे करो. Do it anyhow. Do it anyhow. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. ये मेरा फैसला है. It's my decision. It's my decision. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We all are with you. We all are with you. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं तुम्हारे पास आ रहा हूँ. I am coming to you. I am coming to you. उसने मेरा साथ दिया था. He had stood by me. He had stood by me. मैं अपने काम में अच्छा हूँ. I am good at my work. I am good at my work. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हैं. You are taking me wrong. You are taking me wrong. तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? तुम खड़े क्यों हो? Why are you standing? Why are you standing? मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What can I eat? What can I eat? बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. मैं तब से पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been studying since then. I have been studying since then. मेरा हिसाब चुका दो. Clear my accounts. Clear my accounts. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? वो हमेशा खोया खोया सा रहता है. He always seems lost. He always seems lost. वो तो अभी घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home right now. He is not at home right now. तुम किस शहर में हो? Which city are you in? Which city are you in? तुम्हारे पास क्या नहीं है? What do you not have? What do you not have? इसीलिए तो मैंने उसे पीटा. That's why I beat him. That's why I beat him. आज आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing today? What are you doing today? क्या मैं वजह जान सकता हूँ? May I know the reason? May I know the reason? ये किसके लिए है? Who is it for? Who is it for? आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी. You will have to listen to me. You will have to listen to me. उसकी हालत सुधर रही है. His condition is improving. His condition is improving. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं? May I say something now? May I say something now? मैंने अभी इसे बनाया. I just made it. I just made it. क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? मैं सब कुछ अपने आप करता हूँ. I do everything by myself. I do everything by myself. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It's very hot today. It's very hot today. मेरे पास नगद रुपए नहीं हैं. I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. मैं आपसे बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm very happy with you. I'm very happy with you. ये पैसे कहाँ से आए? Where did this money come from? Where did this money come from? मुझे कपड़े धोने हैं. I have to wash the clothes. I have to wash the clothes. उसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. You are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है. There is nothing to worry about. There is nothing to worry about. मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रही थी. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? Why are you late? Why are you late? जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. बहुत समझ कर बोलो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. क्या ये तुम्हारा आखिरी फैसला है? Is this your final decision? Is this your final decision? बड़ों से बात करना सीखो. Learn to talk to elders. Learn to talk to elders. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? कौन कहता है कि तुम पागल हो? Who says that you are mad? Who says that you are mad? मैं ये यूं ही पूछ रहा था. I am asking this without any reason. I am asking this without any reason. वो बड़ा पत्थर दिल है. He is a hard-hearted person. He is a hard-hearted person. दरवाजे पर कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing at the door? Who is standing at the door? मुझे अपने आप पर शर्म आती है. I am ashamed of myself. I am ashamed of myself. ये फायदे का सौदा नहीं है. It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. मैं तुम्हारा साथ देता हूँ. I always stand by you. I always stand by you. मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ रही हूँ. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. मुझे टैक्सी कहाँ से मिल सकती है? Where can I get a taxi? वेयर कैन आई गेट अ टैक्सी? बिना मतलब के वहां मत जाया करो. डोंट गो देयर विदाउट एनी रीजन. डोंट गो देयर विदाउट एनी रीजन. वो बहुत देर बाद आया था. He had come after a long time. He had come after a long time. मैं बीच में नहीं फंसना चाहता. I don't want to be stuck in the middle. I don't want to be stuck in the middle. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. मैं इसे दोबारा नहीं करूंगा. I will not do this again. I will not do this again. मैं कल बाजार जाऊंगा. I will go to the market tomorrow. I will go to the market tomorrow. आप मुझे हमेशा डांटते हो. You always scold me. You always scold me. तुम बस अपने काम से काम रखो. You just mind your own business. You just mind your own business. मेरे पास नगद रुपए नहीं है. I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. मुझे कुछ और नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything else. I don't want anything else. कष्ट के लिए क्षमा करें. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. मैं आपको नहीं जाने दूंगा. I will not let you go. I will not let you go. इसमें क्या खास है? What is so special about it? What is so special about it? खुद पर विश्वास करो. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. मुझे सीखना होगा. I will have to learn. I will have to learn. चालाक मत बनो. Don't be smart. Don't be smart. मेज से कप हटा दो. Move the cup off the table. Move the cup off the table. अपनी शर्ट अंदर खींचें. Tuck your shirt in. Tuck your shirt in. मुझे गलत मत समझना. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लगता है? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? इसमें उसका क्या कसूर है? What is his fault in it? What is his fault in it? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. माचिस जला दो. Blow out the match. Blow out the match. मैं आपसे बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm very happy with you. I'm very happy with you. तुम भी तो वहीं थे. You were also there. You were also there. मैं हिल नहीं सकता. I can't even move. I can't even move. मैं इस ड्रेस में कैसी लग रही हूँ? How do I look in this dress? How do I look in this dress? तुम कुछ नहीं जानते. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. इन सभी फाइलों को लेकर आओ. Bring all these files. Bring all these files. पहले मुझे पूरा करने दो. Let me complete first. Let me complete first. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। डजेंट मैटर, डजेंट मैटर। मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। डोंट मेक मी एंग्री, डोंट मेक मी एंग्री। वो बहुत मेहनती है। ही इज़ वेरी डेलिजेंट, ही इज़ वेरी डेलिजेंट। सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।